ANTARES has been designed with specific goals. 1. To drill the tooling holes on the multi-layer panels to prepare them for the CNC drilling. 2. To position the tooling holes in the best possible position. Considering that the internal layout is deformed because of the lamination process, the tooling holes determine the alignment of the panel to the axis of the CNC drilling machine. So, their position is crucial since incorrect alignment of the panel will cause unacceptable annular rings. What makes ANTARES truly unique is its advanced X-ray technology. This technology allows the machine to detect with extreme accuracy the position of 4 internal references, not visible from the outside, located near the corners of the multi-layer panel. This ability to see inside the panel is fundamental to ensure maximum precision in subsequent processing phases. It's important to understand that multi-layer panels, after undergoing a hot pressing process, suffer slight deformations and shift between layers. In this situation, the axis of the holes will never intercept exactly the center of all the pads, but it will still be possible to drill the hole in an optimal position that minimizes errors. This is where ANTARES' advanced capabilities become essential. After measuring the positions of the blobs of the 4 stacked targets at the corners, the ANTARES, through a best fit algorithm, calculates the optimal position where the pinning holes must be drilled. When the panel is clamped to the CNC drilling machine through these tooling holes, it will be aligned with the appropriate criterion to minimize the errors between each hole and the intercepted pads. The optimization capability of the ANTARES and similar machines often makes them simply called optimizers in technical jargon. The use of the ANTARES to drill optimized references brings numerous advantages. It significantly reduces scraps due to bad annular rings. Defective panels are discarded before they reach advanced stages of the production process, thus saving costs. It improves the efficiency and the quality of the whole production process. In conclusion, ANTARES represents a fundamental technological leap in the production of multi-layer printed circuit boards. Combining X-ray technology, advanced optimization algorithms, and CNC precision, ANTARES not only improves the quality of the final product but optimizes the entire production process. For companies that aim for excellence in multi-layer printed circuit board production, ANTARES is much more than a simple machine. It is a reliable partner to ensure quality and precision at every stage of the process.